Pretty much everything about ChatGPT is definitely not new. Since the day it was released to the public in November 2022, we've heard wonderful and satisfying news about ChatGPT. Well, in this video, I'm going to be asking ChatGPT to give us 3 websites in which we could use to start making money with its potential. If you're new to the channel and you've not hit that subscribe button, make sure to hit that subscribe button and also turn on that notification bell so that you won't miss out on any video in this channel. And let's just jump into my PC right now.
So first thing I did right here was go to ChatGPT, ask it my question, and after asking it, well, it brought up this answer which was really frustrating. Then I had to ask it again about freelance sites in which I can use it to make money, and they brought up these other sites, so I had to pick 3 sites from here in which we are going to use. And what the type of job we are going to be doing is freelancing. So we jump right into the first platform right now. So the first platform right here is Guru, and it's a freelance platform in which you can use to write, translate, and do so many other things, in which we are going to be using ChatGPT. So you could click on find jobs and you'll see so many jobs in which are in this platform. But first we are just going to register. So first thing you want to do, click on sign up, and then sign up with your Google account. Then after signing up with your Google account, just pick the Google account you want, and then you have to click on freelancer and then click on proceed. After clicking on proceed, it takes you to the next page, and this page right here, you just want to click on skip now, where it takes you to the page where you're going to put in your profile, fill in everything, and click on continue. So right here you want to set up a professional portfolio for yourself, and you should use ChatGPT for that. Then next you want to click on find work, and you can see so many jobs in this platform that based on a fixed price. But we are looking for a specific job called translation, because ChatGPT is going to be helping us do that. And if we type that, you're going to see so many jobs with a fixed price right there. So you just want to send your quotes in and register. The winner for this giveaway is Total Sports. I'm going to chat to you privately.
So the second website right here is called Upwork, and right here also you want to be a freelancer. So you want to click on sign up and click on I am a freelancer. Then you want to sign up with your Google account. Just click the Google account you want to use, let that load, and after clicking on that, the next thing you are going to do right here is that you are going to click on that box right there and then click on create my account. And after doing that, it takes you to the next page, and in this page you want to just click on get started. And in the next page right there, what you want to do is that yes, I am a freelancer for many years. You want to show them that you are actually experienced. And then the next part is to that I like my own opportunity myself, and you don't want Upwork to help you find that opportunity. After clicking on that, click on next and create my profile. And after clicking on next, create my profile. So what you're going to do from here is that you want to fill out your profile manually. And after that, you have to choose your title, translator, and then next right here you want to add an experience. But for the sake of this letter, I'm just going to click on nothing. And after clicking on nothing, I'll click on add my design, and then click on nothing again. But you want to add more experience. So right here you want to choose the language and click on fluent, and you want to add other languages. This is due to the kind of jobs you're going to be doing with ChatGPT. So the next thing right here is that you want to put your skills, and you want to put translation, you want to put transcribing, and you want to put some other stuff that ChatGPT can do or can help you do, which is script writing and so many other things, content writing. Then you want to click on next, and after clicking on next, you want to write a little bio about yourself, and you can do this with the help of ChatGPT too. And then click on next, and then put in your main service, put in your price per hour, which is $10 minimum. After that, you want to click on next again, and then set up your profile, your name, and every other thing you need right here, and click on next. This is exactly how to set up this profile, and you are done. The next one right here is called Peopleperhour, and first thing you want to do, you want to click on freelancer. After clicking on freelancer, I want to be a freelancer, and click on sign up with my email. And after doing that, it's going to take you to a place where you're going to fill in your name and everything. Just fill that out accordingly, and then click on sign up. And after clicking on sign up, it's going to take you to the next page where you have to put in verify your account first. After that, you put in your skills, put in your name, put in your heading, and so many other stuff you have to do right here, and then click on submit my application. Now after clicking on submit my application, you just click on basic, which is 7 working days. That's better, or the other one you're going to pay and then your application will be under review. This is exactly how to sign up for this platform. So if you want more of this video, make sure to hit that subscribe